Today I've decided I'm going to do a bit of collecting of my chili seeds. As you can see, my chilies have all gone red now. Done very well. This is end of June. They've done very well. I've given away some of the chilies to quite a number of people because these chilies, like I said, they are very hot, and a lot of people wanted to test them, and I gave them to see how much they would tolerate them. We did try it even on my daughter's birthday. My daughter decided to give some of her friends to try it, and some of the guests that we had, they tried. Yeah, everybody really complained of how hot they are. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 2 of them and then cut them just to get the seeds out of them so that I can save the seeds to grow them, the seeds next year. So I'm going to pick just 2 pods. This one, and I think that one there. I'm going to cut them up, get the seeds, put the seeds out to dry. Since we've got lovely weather, the weather is warmed up, they should dry okay without any problems. So I'm just going to pick them and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. Right, I've picked the 2. As you can see, these ones looking very vicious, looking very lovely. I love the way they look, the skin, the way they've ripened. Quite big chilies, chili pods, yeah. So yeah, you can see even this one, lovely shape. Looking very hot. I wouldn't dare to eat this. Yeah, but there are crazy people out there who put this whole thing in their mouth. So I'm gonna cut this and then get the seeds. As you can see, I'm putting on gloves. It's very advisable to put on gloves as you do this because of the you don't want to touch these and then put your hands where you're not supposed to put them. Yeah, you have a very bad day. So I'm gonna cut them and show you what they look like inside. Okay, I've cut them all up. I had to go and change my gloves because immediately I opened up the water or the juice or whatever you want to call it that comes from the peppers was covering all my hands. So I didn't want to hold my camera and touch the chilies and then hold my camera and then later on, yeah, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, here are the chilies. As you can see, the inside, they are full of seeds. I don't know if the camera can pick that. Yeah, but they are full of seeds. Quite a number of seeds in there. Not sure how many we'll be able to collect, but quite a lot. As you can see, even this one, there's quite a lot of seeds in there. So I'm gonna pick these seeds out and then I'll show you how many that I've collected. So I'll be back. Right. I've just taken out all the seeds. What I did was I went and I picked 2 more pods. So I've done 4 pods there. These are the pods that I've taken the seeds out of. And these are all the seeds. You can see there's quite a lot of seeds. I have no idea how many there would be here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these out to dry. I'm going to put these in the freezer. Then my wife can use these for cooking or whenever she wants to eat some of the chili, or we'll make some chili sauce where we can add these and preserve it that way, or we'll put them in the packs and put them in the freezer so that they don't get spoiled, because they are quite ripened. So if they are not picked, that's why I picked more, because I didn't know, I saw that they were a bit too ripe, so I didn't want them to start rotting on the plant. So I thought it wise that I take them off. So I've taken 4 off just to collect those seeds. There's still a lot more on the tree, which I have to on the plant, so which I have to most likely give it to people, or I'll pick them all and freeze them. Okay, this is what I just wanted to do, a short video on my chilies. So these ones, I'll keep these seeds for next year. Then I will grow. Next year I'm not buying any seeds. I will grow from my own produce. I'm hoping the other ones that are outside that I bought the seeds for, which is the Trinidad moruga, because this is moruga scorpion. I've got Trinidad moruga scorpion, which they are still very small plants. You've seen them in the other videos. I think it's called bat jolokia, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I've also got the what is the other one now? I'm forgetting. I've got 3 varieties out there now. I'm forgetting them. It's Trinidad moruga. I've got the Scott bonnet, and I've got the jolokia, the bat jolokia, and I've got the naga there. That's the other one. I've got the naga chilies as well, but they are still very small, so it will take me a bit of time. I think those can only produce fruits maybe next year. I doubt if they'll produce anything this year, but I'll keep them and then see what they produce next year. So yeah, so this is my little video. I wanted just to show you what I am doing with my chilies. From me, take care and God bless.